In this world of overwhelming complexity and tremendous competition, I believe that every schools and parent must help their children to develop a skill that will help them to adapt and succeed in this constantly changing world. Today, I am going to share with you the 5 skills every schools and parent must help their children to develop. But before I continue, I would like you to please encourage me by subscribing to my channel. This will motivate me to work hard and create more creative content like this. Now, let's face it. The 5 skills every schools and parent must help their children to develop. Number 1, public speaking skills. Public speaking skills is the number 1 way to network and build relationship. It also empowers them to organize and lead events, and it helps to improve leadership skills. Public speaking skills is necessary for success in work life, and it also boosts personal growth and helps to promote expression over repression. Number 2, time management skills. Time management skills help students to get more done in less time, and it also helps them to prevent procrastination. Time management skills help students to focus on the most important task, and it helps them to achieve their goals faster. Number 3, decision-making skills. Decision-making skills help students to be independent, responsible, and confident, and it gives them sense of control over their lives. Number 4, critical thinking and creative skills. We are now living in a world where people, organizations, companies, and cooperatives need people who can think out of the box, who are creative in idea, and who can help to solve a problem. The world is not asking you for what you have learned in school, but the world is asking you for how you can apply what you have learned in school to increase productivity and to solve a problem. Number 5, positivity or optimistic skills. These skills help students to lower depression, and it helps them to improve their problem-solving skills because it will only help them to focus on the solution instead of the problem. Staying positive all the time makes you feel good about yourself, and it helps to increase self-confidence. If you really like this video, I would like you to please comment below and encourage me by subscribing to my channel. This will motivate me to work hard and create more creative content like this. Thank you.